The dashboard displays an AI/ML model, institutional performance overview. Below is a detailed explanation. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. The dashboard displays an AI/ML model, institutional performance overview. Below is a detailed explanation. 1. Title and description. The main title at the top, AI/ML model, institutional performance overview. The subtitle below provides additional details. AI/ML model, institutional performance overview. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 2. Bar and line chart visualization. The primary chart in the dashboard represents the forecast performance score of different institutional batches over time, 2025 to 2027. X-axis, months and years displays years, likely ranging from 2024.5 to 2027.5. Y-axis, performance score shows a scale from 0 to 100. There are 5 batches, A, B, C, D, and E, represented using bar charts, different colors for each batch. Line charts, matching the colors of the respective bars. This combination helps in visualizing both discrete values, bars, and trends, lines. 3. Legend. The legend on the right explains the color coding. Batch A, red, bar and line. Batch B, green, bar and line. Batch C, blue, bar and line. Batch D, purple, bar and line. Batch E, yellow, bar and line. Each batch has both bar and line representations. 4. Embedded video. Below the main chart, there is an embedded YouTube video. It represents a data visualization of institutional performance over time. The video preview shows another similar performance graph, with monthly performance tracking from January to June and spanning across multiple years, 2025 to 2027. 5. UI elements. The dashboard has a dark theme, black background with bright colored elements. The text and graph elements are clearly distinguished using contrasting colors. There is a copy link button, allowing users to share the video. A YouTube button at the bottom suggests the video can be watched externally. 6. Purpose. This dashboard likely serves educational or research purposes, tracking and predicting institutional performance across different batches. It could be used by AI/ML researchers, educators, and institutions to analyze trends and make data-driven decisions. Additional insights and recommendations for improvement. Based on the AI/ML model, Institutional Performance Overview Dashboard, here are some insights and suggestions for improving visualization and usability. Key insights from the dashboard. 1. Performance trends. The bar and line combination effectively shows both absolute values and trends. Performance seems to be increasing over time, indicating progress in institutional performance. Some batches have higher initial performance, while others improve steadily. 2. Batch comparison. Batch A and Batch D appear to have the highest performance. Batch B and Batch E may need more attention as their performance is relatively lower. The line chart suggests steady growth for all batches, but further analysis is needed to understand dips or anomalies. 3. Long-term forecasting. The data spans multiple years, 2025 to 2027. If AI/ML models are used for prediction, adding confidence intervals or trend lines could improve interpretation. Anomalies, if any, should be highlighted. Recommendations for improvement. 1. Enhancing visualization. Use tooltips or interactive elements for more details when hovering over bars or lines. Add data labels to bars and lines for clarity. Include trend indicators, up/down arrows, for better insights into progress. 2. Comparative analysis. Add a percentage change metric, example year-over-year % growth. Introduce benchmarking against industry standards. 3. AI/ML model details. Mention the AI/ML model used for predictions, example regression, neural networks, etc. Provide accuracy metrics, R superscript 2, ME, MSE, to validate predictions. 4. Video section enhancement. Include a summary of key takeaways before the video. Provide downloadable reports in CSV/PDF format. 5. User interaction and filtering. Allow users to filter by batch, year, or performance range. Implement a search or drill down feature for deeper analysis. Final thoughts. This dashboard is well structured and visually engaging. Implementing interactive elements, trend analysis, and detailed AI/ML insights will make it even more valuable for decision makers. This AI/ML performance dashboard can assist management in decision making by providing insights into institutional performance trends. Here's how. 1. Performance monitoring. The dashboard visualizes performance scores of different batches over multiple years. Helps track improvements or declines in performance. 2. Data-driven decisions. Managers can compare batch-wise performance to identify top and underperforming groups. Helps allocate resources effectively to improve weaker areas. 3. Strategic planning. Identifies trends in institutional performance over time. Supports forecasting future performance and planning improvement strategies. 4. Resource allocation. If one batch consistently underperforms, management can allocate additional training, faculty support, or infrastructure. 5. Accountability and benchmarking. Enables benchmarking against past performance to set realistic targets. Encourages accountability among faculty and students. 6. Custom analysis. The interactive drop-down allows selecting specific batches for focused analysis. Decision makers can drill down into data for detailed insights. Here are some additional features that can enhance your AI/ML dashboard for better management decisions. 1. Predictive analytics feature. Uses regression or machine learning models to forecast future performance trends. 2. Multi-batch comparison. Allows users to compare multiple batches simultaneously. 3. Performance summary and insights. Adds a section to display key statistics, average score, highest and lowest scores. 4. Additional metrics. Introduces new performance indicators like attendance, project completion rates, or engagement scores. Impact on educational performance. This AI/ML powered institutional performance dashboard helps management make data-driven decisions by visualizing key performance metrics over time. Here's how each metric contributes to enhancing educational performance. 1. Performance trend. Tracks students' academic success across different batches. Helps identify underperforming batches and areas needing intervention. Facilitates trend analysis to assess the impact of teaching methods. 2. Attendance rate. Strong correlation with academic performance and engagement. Early detection of low attendance trends helps in proactive interventions, example counseling, parental involvement. 3. Projects completed. Indicates students' practical application of knowledge. Helps institutions assess the effectiveness of hands-on learning methods. Higher project completion suggests strong curriculum engagement. 4. Engagement score. Reflects student participation in classroom activities, group discussions, and research projects. Helps in evaluating teaching effectiveness and student involvement. Low engagement scores might indicate ineffective teaching methods or low student interest. Decision-making benefits for management. Early warning system, identify struggling batches before academic decline. Curriculum improvement, modify teaching strategies based on performance trends. Resource allocation, focus on areas needing more support, example mentorship programs. Student retention strategies, improve engagement and attendance to reduce dropout rates. New key metrics to enhance decision-making. 1. Dropout rate, %. Helps measure student retention across batches. Identifies whether engagement and attendance impact dropout rates. 2. Faculty effectiveness score. Measures how well faculty members contribute to student performance. Based on student feedback, course completion rates, and exam results. 3. Industry readiness score. Evaluates students' preparedness for real-world jobs and internships. Helps track the impact of skill-based courses. 4. Student satisfaction score. Based on surveys about curriculum quality, infrastructure, and faculty. Identifies key areas for institutional improvement. Thank you.